Hello guys, welcome again to Carine Tech Media. And did you know that adding other social media icons to your YouTube channel description or to your YouTube channel videos can help you grow your YouTube channel, improve the viewership, and improve your channel growth? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add social media icons through your social media links to your YouTube channel step by step. So if you're new to this channel and you would like to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, improve your video quality, and learn how to make money online, start by now by hitting the bell button, subscribing, so that you can't miss any of my future videos that I release every day. And remember to enable the notification button so that you can gain or you can get more videos like this one. So I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to do that using your mobile phone. And let's get started. So you're going to go on YouTube. What you're going to do next, you're going to go and click in the right corner on your profile picture. Click on your channel to view your YouTube channel page. Then click on Customize Channel. And now you're going to log to YouTube Studio, where you're going to add those social media icons. We are in the YouTube Studio tab. And go ahead and click on Basic Info. Then down there, going downwards, you're going to see Add Link, where to add links to sites that you want to share with your viewers. So you're going to click on that Add Link word. So you're going to put the link title and even the link that is required there. You might want to put for Facebook. First write Facebook. Then the Facebook link, you're going to go ahead and go to your Facebook. Go to your page. Maybe if the Facebook page shows, then to copy the link, you click on More. Go down and click on Copy Page Link. Go back to YouTube and paste that link. After pasting it, you will click on Publish. So the Facebook link has been added. You might want to add another link like Instagram. We're going to go to Instagram. Go to Instagram and copy the link, the Instagram link. So on Instagram, to copy the link, you click on those three lines, click on Settings, then you click on Follow and Invite Friends, then Invite Friends By, click on Copy. So the link has been copied. Then you're going to paste that Instagram link. Then after, you click on Publish. So might only want to add those links. So you want to see if the social media icons have been added there. What you're going to do, you're going to go back, click on View Channel. So you can see that those social media icons have been added, the Facebook one and the Instagram one, and they are actually clickable. You can click, for example, let us click on Facebook one, and immediately it will take us to the Facebook page because it has been linked. So that's how we add links and social media icons to our YouTube channel, and I hope it was very easy. And if you found any value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, so that you can't miss any good videos like this one. And also remember to enable the notification button so that you can always be notified whenever I release any video. So, hope to meet you next time. Thanks for watching.